What are you doing in my refrigerator? Guys, I know you can't get enough of me, but this is a little bit ridiculous. Now, listen, today we are going to be going through my entire day. You don't have to spy on me. To get this day started, we're going to make out our plan for the day. And so we're creating a meal plan today, and we are focusing on around 1,500 calories and 20 to 25 net carbs for the day. And so on the menu today, and you're going to see exactly how to make this and when I eat this throughout my day within this video, but we are starting with a fat latte. We're having some bacon for a snack, and then we are whipping up a keto bagel chaffle and a cheesy burger casserole. Let's get this day started. Morning guys, in the gym early, got my ketones, got my workout going. I like to drink my ketones first thing in the morning with my workout. So it's like with my fasted workout, it just helps me push myself with my workout and it gives me that extra boost of energy, especially with an early morning workout. And I always feel amazing just like starting my day this way. I'm back on track. I'm feeling great. My hip has not bothered me at all. Like I think it's fully healed. I just gotta get my habit back in gear. Just gotta stay focused on getting up every morning at the same time early, getting my miracle morning going, including meditation, positive affirmations, which I swear to you, the I am statements and positive affirmations literally built my life. Just believing that I can do it and breaking through fear. Also, those I am statements help with motivation as far as working out and getting up. And when I'm talking about I am statements, I like to just write it down. The things that you want in your life, you're saying them as if you have came or they are coming. As an example, I am powerful, I am strong, I am energetic, I love my life, I have an amazing life, I feel amazing, I feel great. Every day I get stronger and stronger. Every day I move closer and closer to my goals. I can achieve my goals. I can do anything in this world. I am incredible. I am insane. I am a creative genius. These are just examples off of the top of my head. If you can't tell, I've been doing this a long time. You can focus on saying more positive things to yourself than negative. What's going to happen is you're going to reprogram your subconscious mind and you're actually going to become these things. Okay, so if you're constantly telling yourself the things you hate about yourself, you are literally manifesting more of that into your life. You're manifesting feelings of insecurity, feelings of jealousy, you are not enough, all of these things that we don't want more of, right? We want to manifest feelings of being brave, being powerful, being strong, being confident, being able to do anything in this world, being able to step into fear, being able to achieve our goals, and that we're worth it, right? You are enough. You are worth it. As you are right now, sitting here watching this right now, you are enough in this moment. And so you just need to feel that for yourself. I'm enough. I'm worth it. I can do this. I'm incredible. It'll take some brainstorming. Just write down all of the things. And when you do that and you tell yourself this, and every single time you are like in the mirror, you need to just tell yourself, I am beautiful, I'm incredible, I love myself. It seems weird at first, but if you can change that voice in your head, you can change your life. I promise you that. Meal number one, we are doing a fat latte. This is one of my favorite things to make in the morning. And so this is going to be keto cream, vanilla bean. But if you don't have keto cream on hand, you can use a tablespoon of butter and blend that up with some stevia or monk fruit or something like that. You would also need to add some collagen and MCT oil, which is already included in the keto cream. And that's one of the reasons why I love it. It is so convenient to just blend it up with my coffee and it's perfect. And I know I'm getting all of the B vitamins and everything that I need. Our first snack of the day is going to be some high-fat, delicious bacon. So I baked 4 slices of bacon here for my meal. Normally I use my air fryer, but my air fryer is in the dishwasher. So today we are baking our bacon and it came out really good. So I did have 4 slices. All right, next up we are doing for lunch a bagel chaffle. Chaffle? I don't know how to pronounce that correctly. I always mess it up. But anyway, I have the ingredients in the description on how to make this. If you do have one of those mini waffle makers, it works the best. These are like 10 bucks on Amazon, honestly. And I also have links for that too if you want to know which one I got. Each bagel half takes about 3 minutes and it comes out perfect. So it shouldn't stick to the side of the waffle maker. If it is sticking, that means you are opening it up a little too soon. I learned that the hard way. So make sure you let it go the full 3 minutes. And then you're going to have 2 half of bagel little waffles. And they are so perfect to spread some cream cheese on top. You really can use any type of cream cheese you prefer. I like to sprinkle after the cream cheese some additional everything but the bagel seasoning, and these came out really, really good. And this is like one of the easiest meals. Here we have meal number 2. We've got our everything but the bagel seasoned bagel, keto bagel. Let's try it out, see how it is. Perfect. This is so perfect. Wow. You guys, we can literally make bagels at home. So easy, so good. Time for another energy boost with my second packet of nat ketones plus my Metaplex electrolytes. I'm drinking a new flavor, which I love, the snow cone. If you don't have ketones on hand, don't worry about it. Just drink some water, but this is an additional layer on top of my plan for what I do and supplements that I use that I absolutely love. I do have samples in the description if you wanted to try them out for yourself. So tonight's dinner, we are making a beef broccoli casserole that everyone is going to love. So here's the ingredients of what you will need for this. And remember, in the description, I have it all laid out for you so you know exactly what you need for ingredients and how to make this. It's super, super simple. You can literally throw this together in like less than an hour and it's all cooked and baked and everything done. So we're going to take our ground beef and our ground sausage and we're going to brown that, and then from there we are adding some cream cheese, some sour cream, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and we are just mixing this all together until it is like a cheesy, gooey center for our casserole. And so I added some heavy whipping cream there, and now we are layering it together. We're putting our broccoli at the bottom of our pan and then mixing it all together. So I just steamed my broccoli in the microwave, but you can really steam it however you want. So we're topping this with mozzarella cheese, and then we are putting some pork panko breadcrumbs. There's no bread in there, it's pork panko, and I baked this for about 20 minutes. And it came out so good. Everyone loves this one, and it's like a perfect way to stay on track and also not feel deprived towards your goals. It's amazing. All right, so tonight we are mixing up a dessert. So I am doing a key lime pie shake, which is using a Keto Pro, it's like a protein shake sort of thing for keto, and I really like this one because it tastes amazing. And I'm just adding a packet of that with some almond milk and blending this up into my creamy dessert shake. Now, if you don't have this on hand, you can use like an ice cream they sell in the grocery store, like something like a Halo Top or something that is keto friendly. I like this one because there's also ketones in here and other things that are really great for you, like vitamins and minerals and stuff like that. This one also comes included in my sample packs in the description. All right, our day is complete and we followed through with our plan, and so everything was perfect, and we ended our day at 22 net carbs and 154 calories. Our first meal you saw this morning, we did a fat latte, which was the keto cream and the hot coffee. Then we had some bacon as our snack. Meal 2 was our keto bagel chaffle, and then we made our cheesy burger casserole, and we had our dessert. And so our macros broke down to 6% carbs, 22% protein, 71% fat, and it fell perfectly within my calorie balance. If you guys enjoyed this video, I have more what I eat in a day daily keto routines right here on this channel. I would love to hear what you thought of this one in the comments. Please check out the description for the recipes and the ingredients of all of the foods that you saw here, and I will see you in the next one. The next one you're going to want to check out will be right here on this screen for you to click and watch next.